is Alenka, and I'm a Customer Success Manager at Cloud Concept. In this short session, I'll show you how mondaydotcom's match automation can help teams connect information between boards automatically, accurately, and in real time. We'll look at simple HR example to understand how it works, but keep in mind the same feature can be applied across many departments and industries. No matter what team, we often manage data across multiple boards, for example, employees and requests, clients and contracts, inventory and suppliers. Without automation, someone has to manually cross-check and update both sides every time something changes. That's very slow and it's so easy to make mistakes. So let's see how we can help. Let's take a look at this HR example. So here I have two boards. The first one is an employee directory where I'm storing all employee information. The second board is a request board where through a form an employee submits a request such as equipment request, annual leave, etc. The idea here is to automatically connect each new request that comes in to the right employee profile, so HR doesn't have to cross-check manually. First, we need to decide what our unique identifier will be, something that's always one of a kind. Now, the name might not be the best idea because two people can share a name, but emails are always unique, so that should be a good example. Another option is employee ID. So what we're going to do here is set up a match automation that does the following. When a new request comes into this board, match the request with the employee directory where the email matches. Once the connection is made, the board will automatically pull the data from the directory board so that HR person doesn't have to be switched between the two boards. Let's take a look at an example. So here I have the form for the request board, and Olivia is submitting an equipment request. Click Submit. And now Olivia's request is in the pending section of the request board. The match automation instantly found the match in the employee directory and linked it through the Connect Boards column. So if I click here, now I can see all the data for Olivia from the directory here in this item card. We could apply the same principle across many different workflows. To name just a few examples, we could match new leads with existing client accounts. We could match purchase requests with approved suppliers from a supplier list. We could match equipment requests to asset inventory or site location, or incoming support tickets to corresponding client accounts. Each case reduces manual effort, prevents errors, and keeps data consistent. So let's take a look at how we set up such an automation. First, we add the Connect Boards column if we don't have it yet, but also the automation will automatically prompt us to add one. Click on the Automate button, click on Create, and search for the match templates. Now we do have 3 different templates. For our use case, we need this one when an item is created in this board. I'm just gonna go back because I already have this automation, and I'll show you what exactly I did here. So when an item is created in this board, connect, and this is where we select the connect board column. If we don't have one, we can create one now. And in this connect board column, we connect the 2 boards. So connect the item where the email from one board matches the email in the other board, in my case that is the employee directory, by overwriting new matched items. And that's it. So every time a new request comes in, it is matched by email to the employee directory, and the data from the employee directory is available here at the touch of a button. So whether you're managing HR requests, client data, or vendor workflows, mondays.com Match Automation can help you connect your information seamlessly. Start with something simple. Pick two related boards, use a unique field like email or ID, and let monday.com handle the matching for you. Thanks for watching. Happy automating.